Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to make a floral table runner that I'm going to use for a round coffee table. I'll be using my recycled cotton yarn and the 3.5mm hook. And I don't think I ever mentioned the brand that I use. This is the one. It's recycled cotton. It's 80% recycled cotton and 20% other fibers. You start with a slip knot and you chain 2. In this second chain from the hook, you will single crochet 8 times. Pull on the tail and go to the first single crochet created. Pull the yarn through, bring the next color and finish the single crochet. Pull on the yarn tails. Here, work a chain 3. And in the same space, work a double crochet. In the next stitch, work a double crochet. And then chain 3. And in the same stitch, work a slip stitch. This is the first part of the petal. Next, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 3, work a double crochet in the same space, work a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and slip stitch in the same space as the last double crochet. And work this pattern 2 more times. Work a slip stitch in the next stitch. And now for our final row, chain 3. And on this row, we will work in the 2 double crochets that we have. So chain 3. And work 3 double crochets in the top here in the double crochet from the previous row. So 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 2. This will form the pointy end of the petal. So chain 2 and then 3 double crochet in the next stitch of the double crochet from the previous row. then chain 3, and slip stitch in the bottom slip stitch from the previous row, so in between petals. I'll show you one more time. So chain 3, double crochet 3 times in the first double crochet stitch from the previous row, when you get to this point, we need to attach it to our table runner, to the other flowers. So before you chain, you go through the chain space from the other flower. You chain 1 and then 2. Then you double crochet 3 times in the next stitch. Chain 3, and you go to the slip stitch from the previous row to work a slip stitch. Next, chain 3 again, 3 double crochet in the first stitch of double crochet, and before you chain, we need to attach it in this corner. So go through this chain space, chain 1, chain 2, bring back your flower and work 3 double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch in the previous slip stitch, and now the last petal, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the first available stitch, and to attach it in the last corner in the chain space, go through, bring yarn, chain 1, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet in the last stitch, if you prefer a slower version of this, write it in the comments section and I will make sure to make another video, super slow, super step by step, of how I make the flowers and how I attach them together to make anything you want, really. A shawl, a blanket, anything you want. Lastly, chain 3 and slip stitch, and then fasten. You will have to weave in ends. The flowers can be either straight or they will curl up, however you want. If you want them straight, you will have to block them with water or steam. Otherwise they will curl up. I prefer it this way. They look more natural. Okay, now it's time to make a nice edging to it. Start with a slip knot, and in the corner of your work, with the flowers facing you with the right side, insert the hook in the chains 2 space, pull on the tail, and work chains of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will slip stitch in the slip stitch that we did in between the petals. You chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to slip stitch here in between the petals. Again, chain 8, and slip stitch in between the petals. And you will work this all along until you come back to the beginning. After the last 8 chains, just slip stitch back into the first chain space. Okay, so from here we are going to chain 4, and you are going to work a single crochet in the chain space. Chain 4, and then single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain space. And we are going to create this net style edging. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain space. To finish this, just go into the chain 4 chain space and work a slip stitch. Fasten off. I hope you liked this video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.